Hi everyone! In this video, we will see how to send a limited time offer campaign using a pre-approved template. So limited time offer templates are very effective because they create urgency and encourage faster user action. So to understand it, we will create a new campaign by going to the menu on the left. Then we will click on CRM. From the drop down, we will select bulk campaign. And then we will click on create new campaign. Select the campaign and we will select the campaign type from here, messaging campaign. Then we will give our campaign a name such as LTO. Select the campaign type from here, click on next. We will select the audience, then go to next, select our channel. And then the message type will be pre-approved template since this is an outbound campaign. So we will click on it and then we will select our template, and from here we can configure the offer expiry and variables if there are any. So over here we will define the offer time expiry in minutes. For example, let's keep it 200. So after this 200 minutes the offer should expire. Then we will add the coupon code over here, for example ABC 123, and then once all our details are filled we will click on next. From here we will preview the information and then click on save campaign. So our campaign is created. Then we can click on this rocket icon to trigger the campaign. So your limited time offer campaign is live and will automatically expire after the defined time. This is a powerful way to drive urgency, increase conversion, and run time sensitive promotions effectively. Thank you.